Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days. Chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool and just shooting some b-ball outside of the school. When a couple of guys, they were up to no good, started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got one little bite and my mom got scared. She said, "You with the auntie and uncle the bed." I whistled for a cab and when it came here, the license plate inspection didn't have license. If anything, I thought that this cab was weird, but I thought I'd forget it. Yo, home's the Billy. Outside of the school when a couple of guys that were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight and my mom got scared. She said, "You bully with the auntie and uncle the belly." I whistled for a cab and when it came near the license plate said fresh and it license was here. If anything, I thought that this cab was weird, but I thought, nah, forget it, yo, home's the belly. I was finally there, sat on my throne as the Prince of Bel-Air. Ahora todos van a cantar juntos conozco. Obrigado todo mundo. Somos o Finger Finger. Muchas gracias. Muchas gracias a todas las bandas. Muchas gracias Thier. Muchas gracias André Ung. Muchas gracias Gianni. Pia. Muchas gracias. Ana. Todo mundo. All right. Muchas gracias Suji. Ai! Obrigado. Muito obrigado, galera. Obrigado mesmo.